Okay, here's Vegas Pro version 15. Let's see how to apply some effects to multiple clips. So click on the first clip on the timeline and go to the first icon, which is Event Pan Crop. So click on Event Pan Crop. Now here we have position and mask. Make sure you're on mask and click on the first keyframe. Okay, now click inside here if you want and zoom out to the scroll wheel. If you want, you can drag the ends and position the video and close it. Okay, so the position and the size of this clip was modified. Now let's modify the colors also by going to Event FX, the second button. Here's color corrector. Let's apply that one and increase, let's see, the saturation to maximum so that we can clearly see the difference. Okay, so the first clip, the position was modified, the size was modified, and the colors. So let's just right click on that clip and go to copy. Okay, now click on the first unmodified clip, hold down the shift key and click on the last clip. Now these were selected, so right click on those and not paste but paste event attributes. Click on that one and voila. So the second clip was modified, third one, fourth one and fifth one. Okay, so that's how to add the same effect to multiple clips inside Vegas Pro version 15. Thanks for watching, bye bye.